To rename the Untitled Jupyter Notebook, click File, then Rename. Write the new name and click Rename. Let's import pandas. Assign it with a variable pd, then click Run. Let's make a table and assign it with variable name table_1, then equal sign. Making a table is like a data frame in pandas. Let's look at the documentation for pandas.DataFrame. Based on the documentation, we need to put the data. After equal sign, write pd.dataframe, then click parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we will put our data. Type data, then equal sign, then a bracket, which means a dictionary in Python. We will write our 3 columns. First, company name with quotation, meaning it is a string or simply a text. Then the column sign, then a square bracket, meaning it is a list. Inside the square bracket will be our data, specifically the names of companies. Then comma for the next columns. Do the same for the next 2 columns, trade show, spending, and sales. After the comma, click Enter so we can properly see the 3 columns. Now let's input our data. First, for the company names, there should be a quotation because names are strings. Every name should be separated by comma. Click Enter after comma of company 05 so we can see properly all the company names. Insert the data in the trade show spending. No need for quotation mark since they are integers, not strings. Do the same with sales. Let's run the code. We got an error. The error said the arrays must be same length. Trade show spending has 11 numbers compared to sales with 12 numbers. We made a mistake by joining 9 and 5. Let's correct it. Then run. Now, no more error. To see how the table looks like, type the variable name table_1, then run. This is our table now. Please take note that the first column you see is the index. Python start with 0. Since we have 12 rows, then our index end with 11. To set company names as our index, type name of data frame, which is table_1.set_index parentheses, then name of the column. Type in place equals true. Then run again. Here's our new table with company name as index. Let's import matplotlib. Type import matplotlib.pyplot, then assign a name as plt, then run. Type %sign matplotlib inline, then click run. Let's see the documentation on pyplot.plot. To make a plot, parameters are x values, y values, fmt or format, and some keywords arguments. The basic ones are x values and y values. Type plt.plot parentheses x comma y. This will not result to a graph unless we have values of x and y. Let's assign values of x. X equals the name of the data frame, table_1, square bracket, then name of the column with quotation sign. Our x-axis will be the trade show spending. Our y-axis will be sales. Type plt.show parentheses, then run. This is our graph. The default appearance is with connecting lines, but we are here to make scatterplot. We will fix this. Let's have the third parameter, which is fmt or format. Fmt or format is composed of choice of marker, line, and column inside quotation sign. These are the choices of marker. We have S for square marker and X for X marker. Let's choose circle marker. Type O with quotation, then run. Now this looks like a scatterplot. The next 2 parts of FMT or format is line styles and color. For line style, let's choose dash line style. These are the choices for color. We just have to type the first letter. We choose yellow. Type only Y, then run. We will remove the line since we are here to make a scatterplot. Delete the dash line in the code. Now let's go with chords or keyword arguments. Scroll down. See, here we see marker size or MS. Here marker size is equal to 15. Size of the circle are larger now. Another keyword argument is marker edge color. We choose blue. There you are. We have circles with blue edges. Next, we have to put a chart title. Type plt.title parentheses. Based on documentation, parameters are label, font dictionary, and keyword arguments. Label is the title of the charts. Now we have chart or graph title. Let's do the font dictionary. We will choose font size and horizontal alignment. A dictionary should have a bracket sign. Font size is 15. Horizontal alignment is right. Now title size is larger than before and it is aligned to the right. We can change it to left. Now bring it back to the center. Let's go to keyword arguments. Scroll down, click the text. This will bring you to another web page. There is color. You can type color or just letter C. Our choice of color is aim for magenta. Now, color of title change from black to magenta. Another keyword arguments is font style. Choices are normal, italic, and oblique. We choose italic. Click enter on comma before font style. Click run. Now title is in italic style or slanting. Another keyword arguments is font width. Choices are 0 to 1000. There are text choices but let's choose the numeric options. If 1000, the title is in heavy form. Choosing 500, the title is in lighter form. Let's bring it back to 1000. Let's choose keyword argument font family. Let's choose fantasy. Choosing sans serif title looks like this. Our final choice is monospace. To have x-axis label, type plt.xlabel parentheses. Parameters are xlabel and some keyword arguments. Our label name is trade shows pending. For keyword argument, click the text. One of the choices is font size. Let's set it to 13 to enlarge it. There you are. Another choice is color or C. Let's set it to green. Let's put the y-axis label. Put plt.ylabel parentheses. Inside the quotation is the label name cells. Ylabel has some same setup with xlabel. Let's copy what we have in xlabel and paste it to ylabel. Now we have our access labels. Our data shows that the smallest number of y values is 22. So that's why our graph starts with y-axis at 20. We can change this to 0. We don't have such problem with x-axis, but let's try to set it up properly. We will use xlim. Parameters are left, which pertains to minimum value, and right, which pertains to maximum values. Our minimum value for x will be 0 and maximum value is 11. Y-axis is the one we really need to fix. Arguments for ylim, bottom which pertains to minimum value and top which pertains to maximum value. Our minimum value will be 0 and maximum is 80. There it is. The y-axis starts at 0. To know about how to interpret a scatterplot, watch the video, interpret the scatterplot, and interpret the correlation coefficients. The links are in the description below or click the end screen after watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification button and watch the related video on the screen appearing now.